If your legs feel weaker than they used to, don't scroll. Today is day 35, and this is exactly where seniors quietly regain strength. If you're new here, you've joined us at the perfect time. Let's begin gently together. Exercise 1 chair. Sit to stand. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart and hands ready for support. Slowly lower yourself down until you touch the chair, then gently press through your feet and stand back up tall. Move at your own pace, breathe normally, and remember you may rest or watch if needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where your legs begin to wake up. 5. You are building strength that supports daily living. 6. Many people stop here, but staying helps independence. 7. 8. 9. Notice your balance improving with every rise. 10. This movement makes standing from beds and chairs easier. 11. 12. 13. You are teaching your body confidence. 14. 15. Halfway done, and this is where progress happens. 16. 17. 18. Skipping now slowly weakens independence over time. 19. 20. Staying here protects your ability to live freely. 21. 22. 23. This is why results last. 24. 25. Strong legs mean safer daily movement. 26. 27. 28. Almost there, and your effort matters. 29. 30. Excellent work protecting your independence. This exercise directly supports independence because standing up is required for toilets, kitchens, and daily self-care tasks. When seniors skip it, legs weaken, balance fades, and everyday activities slowly require more help. Completing all repetitions today is a simple, powerful step toward staying independent tomorrow. You showed commitment by finishing, and your future body thanks you today, always. Exercise 2 seated leg extensions. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your thigh, gently extend one leg forward, then slowly lower it back down. Breathe out as the leg lifts and breathe in as it lowers, staying calm and controlled. 1. 2. 3. 4. This gently warms your knees. 5. Helping circulation stay active. 6. Most people rush here, but slow control brings results. 7. 8. 9. Notice your legs waking up. 10. This movement supports easier walking later. 11. 12. 13. Staying with me matters. 14. 15. Halfway done and flexibility improves now. 16. 17. 18. Skipping this often leads to stiffness. 19. 20. Gentle effort keeps knees comfortable. 21. 22. 23. Most people stop here. 24. 25. Staying builds lasting ease. 26. 27. 28. Almost finished. 29. 30. Excellent control today. If your legs felt heavy, tight, or shaky, please tell me in the comments. Which part felt hardest lifting or lowering the leg? Your experience helps other seniors feel understood and encourages them to stay until the end every day. Sharing difficulties builds connection, confidence, and progress together. Remember, you may go slower, rest briefly, or simply watch while moving gently. Comment your day number and country watching from so we can support one another throughout this journey with patience, consistency, and care for aging bodies every single day together, always here for you fully present. Exercise 3. Standing side leg raises. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly for balance. Keep your chest, tall shoulders relaxed, and eyes forward. Lift one leg slowly to the side, then return it with full control. Breathe out as you lift and breathe in as you lower. 1. 2. 3. 4. This builds hip strength for steady walking. 5. 6. Most people rush here, but slow control protects balance. 7. 8. 9. Notice your body learning stability. 10, 11, 12. Staying gentle keeps joints comfortable. 13, 14, 15. Halfway done, and this is where progress happens. 16, 17, 18. Skipping now slowly weakens side balance. 19, 20. Strong hips support safer daily movement. 21, 22, 23. Most people stop here. Please stay with me. 24, 25. Staying until the final exercise completes the benefit. 26, 27, 28. Almost finished and your balance is improving. 29, 30. Excellent work preparing your body for the last exercise. Side leg raises strengthen the muscles that keep you upright during walking and standing. Using the chair gives safety without removing effort. Moving slowly trains balance better than fast motion. Many seniors skip this and later feel less steady. Stay with me because one more exercise completes today's routine. Please comment what feels difficult, lifting, holding, or lowering the leg, so others know they are not alone, and remain motivated until the final movement together at the end today with calm confidence always. Exercise 4. Standing march in place. Stand tall behind your chair and hold it lightly with both hands. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your eyes forward. Slowly lift one knee to a comfortable height, then place it back down before lifting the other knee. The knee does not need to come high. Safety and balance matter more than height. Breathe normally and move with control so your body feels secure and calm throughout. 1, 2, 3, 4. This gently wakes up balance muscles. 5, 6. Most people feel unsure here, but staying builds confidence. 7, 8, 9. Notice coordination improving. 10, 11, 12. This supports steadier walking. 13, 14, 15. Halfway done and progress is happening. 16, 17, 18. Skipping this weakens balance over time. 19, 20. Staying helps confidence grow. 21, 22, 23. Most people stop here. Stay curious. 24, 25. Your body is learning stability. 26, 27, 28. Almost finished. Stay with me. 29, 30. Excellent job completing today's movement. Marching in place trains balance, coordination, and confidence together. Lifting one leg at a time teaches your brain and body to work as a team. Holding the chair keeps you safe while still challenging balance. Many seniors avoid this movement and later feel less steady while walking. Staying through all repetitions protects mobility and independence. Now pause and notice your body. Do you feel warmer, steadier, or more confident? Please comment below how you feel and write "Done Day 35" if you completed this exercise with me. Your comment motivates others to continue daily.